Good afternoon. It's 13:33 right now. It is pretty cold outside and we decided not to go to the garden. Anyway, earlier I showed you how to cut the chicken and today after a long time I'm planning to make chicken in soya sauce, in black sauce. So these are the main ingredients. I've got oil, I've got sweet soya sauce, I've got kikoman, one onion. I don't have fresh lemongrass, but I happen to buy this lemongrass paste. One potato, half a chicken, and this is ginger. Fried shallots, and later on I will add the celery and coriander leaves which are in the freezer. So these are the basic ingredients. I'll check if it is in need of salt, then I'll add salt. Otherwise, so it will be. Okay, please enjoy the video. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to start cooking. First we heat up the wok. And we add very little oil. Because the chicken will give out some oil. So here is the prepared ingredients. I julienne the garlic. Looks a lot, but it will be very nice. Okay, I had to use ginger from the freezer. Basically put half, and then later on you can add another half so you get a more fresh ginger taste. Onions, I've sliced it, one potato, and we are ready. Normally I'll use the salty soya sauce, and this is the first time.
You have to come closer a bit.
Normally I use the salty soya sauce, but this is the first time I'm using kikoman. So it costs quite a lot, €3 plus just for a small bottle. But you know, during the corona lockdown we are not able to go here and there, so we make do with what we have. Okay, first the onions go in. Saute. The alarm will go off.
No, not now.
I forgot chili. No, I want the stick. Okay, I forgot to mention chili. I'll be using 2. They are very hot chili, so 2, perhaps 3. Do you want it hot?
Yeah, 3 is good. No problem. Nice.
bit more oil. Okay, I'll add half the ginger. And a bit of the lemongrass paste. Yeah, because it's new and I have no idea how it reacts, how it tastes. Lately I've reduced the oil very much. Okay, I'll add the sweet sauce. I'll add a little by little first because it's been a long time since I made this dish. Add your chicken in. It would have been nice if we added fried tofu. Boiled eggs can be added. If you have a big family, just add fried tofu, eggs, boiled eggs. The Chinese do it a different way. Theirs, they have some spices. I'm basically following the Malay style. Masak kicap. Okay, add more water. Cook it for about 35 minutes to 40 and it will be ready. I'm going to add the potato now.
Actually a very simple dish. Very simple to make.
I'm going to add a bit more water since it's going to cook for 35 minutes. I'll add the fried shallots now. And later on the chopped up celery leaves and coriander leaves. And taste for salt. Towards the end I'll add a bit more ginger. Okay, so I'll see you when it's ready. Okay, it's already 35 minutes. Another 2 more minutes. I added turmeric because I forgot all about the turmeric. I think we have enough sauce. I'm gonna add some coriander leaves. And celery leaves. A bit more of fried shallots. Okay, that was 35 minutes. Add salt if you all want to have it salty. Our family don't really eat much salt. Okay, Alex, would you like to try?
Yeah. Just give me a piece of potato and try it.
Yeah? Do you want? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really taste wonderful, dear.
The salt and the sweetness?
Perfect, no problem.
Really?
Wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you taste the gebakken oudjes?
Taste is
But you know, we normally use the salty soya sauce, but because of the lockdown, we are not able to go to the supermarket to buy.
it's okay, yeah, cucumber. Sorry, cucumber is nice.
Okay. It's the first time I'm using it here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you give top.
5 star.
Thank you. Now,
It was really nice.
okay. So,
What's that?
so we hope you enjoyed this video and give it a try if you wish to. If you find it a bit too oily, please remove the excess oil later on. I mean, it's easy to see that it is oily. Just, scoop up a bit of oil, but I think this is alright for me.
Yeah, this looks wonderful.
Yeah?
Yeah, pleasure for your eyes.
Okay.
Really.
Okay, so bye-bye.
Okay, bye bye.